Hey guys, Jimmy Vegas here, and today we're playing an indie game made in Unity called, well, there you go, The Adventures of Jet Hambo. How odd. Describes itself as a short 3D platformer inspired by titles from the early 2000s. Okay, well, to me it kind of looks a bit like Banjo-Kazooie. Kinda, a little, maybe. Well, I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to have a go yourself. Yes, get into it.
So, there I was, on board the Hambo family yacht.
Okay.
My uncles were sipping their tea, counting their cash,
Seems
and
okay.
telling endless stories of their travels.
Yep.
As per usual, I was sitting in my lawn chair drinking some cola, but
Effort's gone
that's
into
when I
this.
heard some footsteps. Turns out being the family mooch isn't the best thing to be when you come from a long line of adventurers.
Okay.
Needless to say, my presence was no longer welcome.
Thrown overboard. Alright. Seems okay so far. Seems like it might actually be a lot of fun. Oh! Okay. Adventurers welcome. Some weird temple around here. Looks like it could be a trick. With all these free gems lying around, what kind of place is this? Well, beggars, this is really, really loud. Okay. Oh, it's a bit laggy. Oh gosh, it's a bit laggy. Nice. Mouse is in the way, but not mine. Okay, in the water. Whoops. Let's see if we can get some kind of settings or... Obviously not. Okay, well, we're stuck like this. Let's just keep going. Sorry if I'm shouting, guys. Oh, okay, so we cannot put water no matter what. Okay. We can double jump, that's alright. This isn't too bad, actually. This is kind of fun. I like this. We got that. Yeah. So far, so good. I don't know what the aim of the game is. Oh, hang on. Oh, yeah. Okay, here we go. I saw some boxes over here that I'm going to smash. Nice. Okay, keep going. Gem there. Okay, so there's gems at the top of the trees. I guess I've got to try and get them. Glitchy there. Got that. Ooh! Oh my god, I mean, I literally just put my foot in the water. That sucks. Okay, gonna carry on. This is a lot of fun, actually. This is really good. Can I make that jump? That's the question. I'm gonna try. Ready? Yes, I made it. Oh, it looks like I got some more life back as well. It is a little bit laggy. It's just a little bit, so it needs a bit of optimization. But other than that, it's okay. Not entirely sure what the aim of the game is, but yeah. Oh, some more boxes there. Very sensitive to mouse as well. I wonder if there's a way of controlling that. Maybe. I know I've missed a lot of gems, but... Oh, checkpoint! Okay. Across there. This is quite good. Oh, what is that? I'd better get through here fast. Ooh! Okay. Alright. Oh, that's good. That's good. Oh no. Oh. Okay, try again. Yup. Okay. Double I mean, there is obviously a lot that could be done to it to make it better, but for what it's worth, yeah, this is really good. Oh, game over. I like that. That's really good. Okay, let's have a quick continue. Let's see if I can... Oh yeah, it does say he hates the water right at the beginning. Okay. Can I run? No, can't. So this is the fastest I can go. So yeah, I was going this way, wasn't I? So up and over there. Checkpoint. So double jump over there, yeah. I've lost any health, so I don't need that yet. Okay, still going. Still going. I'm not going to bother with the gem, I just want to get to where I was before. It was just after here, wasn't it? Yeah. Okay. There must be something for collecting all the gems, though, surely. Okay, so far so good. I'll try going a different way. I'm going to go this way now. There we go. Checkpoints. Hambo, thank heavens you're here. Mr. Truff? No, Tuff, not Truff. What are you doing here? Okay, blah 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 blah. Some talking, some stuff to each other. Let's go this way then. Okay, keep going. Let's keep going. Did I get him? There's a trunk dude thing. Oh, damn it! Let's try again. Oh, we got me! Oh, I thought I got him, but he got me. Oh, we're through. We're into some kind of cave. It does have a Banjo-Kazooie feel to it, and I like that. I really like that. Oh, it's for that. Okay. Oh! I tried to be clever and do a double jump, but it didn't pay off. It is a little bit laggy. It's the only thing I would complain about. Ooh, there we go. What's that? E to go across. Oh, okay. Ooh, jungle falls or something. There. Oh, no, I fell. Oh, we're going across. Yep, made it. Okay. Guessing. Jump and E. There we go. Checkpoint! Yes! Okay, so we need to go there now. Still going. Oh, do we need to go up here? Yep, we go up here. Oh! What the? Oh! Okay, well, that's actually a lot of fun. Apart from the little lagginess there, that is a lot of fun. It does indeed remind me of games from around the early 2000s. It's got that style to it. That's really well done. So yeah, I'll leave a link in the description below for you to have a go yourself. Give a thumbs up if you liked it, a thumbs down if you didn't, but let me know in the comments why you didn't like it, because I always like to know. Yeah, that was The Adventures of Jet Hambo. I've been Jimmy Vegas, and guys, thank you very much for watching.